Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually get the new Snapchat update. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to get the new Snapchat update. So the problem here is that, let's say I open Snapchat and you're missing out on some of the basic features of Snapchat. Maybe you want a new lens, maybe you want a new filter, maybe you want some kind of features to be added and it is actually missing, or maybe just you have been facing some kind of errors on the Snapchat app itself. And the basic way to actually fix all of those issues and then get all those features is to simply update the Snapchat app to the latest version. And in order to update it, we are going to run through some of the steps. First of all, simply make sure that you are connected to a very reliable internet. You can swipe down your quick panel settings and then simply tap on the internet button, or else you could also switch to the cellular data, which I don't really recommend, by the way, for download purposes. But if you have enough data, you could go ahead and choose that option as well. But I'm going to simply stick to my Wi-Fi, to my wireless network, and after I connect to a Wi-Fi, you want to make sure you have a very good connection. I'm going to open my Google Play Store, and if you're on iOS, you could simply open your App Store. Once you open your App Store, what you have to do is right here in the search box, you want to simply search for Snapchat. So go ahead and simply type in Snapchat and then hit enter. Once you type in Snapchat, and then you can see this first application. Now in my case, I have already updated it to the latest version. If you see an update button there in your case, you have to simply tap on that update button. For example, if you are on Android, you will see a green update button, and if you are on iOS, you will see a blue update button. So that is basically how it works on these both operating systems. You could go ahead and actually simply update it to the latest version. Now basically what this does, it is actually going to introduce new features to you, and you also have the other option called beta program, but in this case the beta program is actually already full. Now what this beta program basically means is that whenever Instagram actually releases new feature, before they actually release it officially to the public or to the general audience, they release it to the beta audience, and the beta audience are basically the testers of any type of app. And if any app actually releases new feature, if Snapchat or any other apps like Instagram, they release new feature, the beta users are the ones who have it to test it first. But in this case, the beta program is already full, so obviously there is no way for you to actually join it as well. But this was it on how you can actually get the new Snapchat update. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.